In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get $0 delivery fees on Doordash with DashPass promo codes and card perks. Let's start with the easiest way to cut delivery fees, the DashPass free trial. When you sign up for the 30-day trial, eligible orders from participating restaurants show $0 delivery fees once you hit the minimum subtotal. After creating or logging into your account, look for the DashPass banner in the app or on the website and activate the trial. Before you order, check that the restaurant you're choosing is marked as DashPass eligible and confirm your cart meets the minimum. You should see the delivery fee drop to zero at checkout. A quick tip, set a reminder to review your subscription before the trial ends so you're not surprised by renewal charges. Next, take advantage of new user promo codes at checkout. These are often displayed in the app, on homepage banners, or in DoorDash emails for first-time customers. Once your cart is ready, go to the payment screen, tap the promo or discount field, and enter the code. Make sure the code applies to your account type and your order, since some are limited to first orders or specific restaurants. If it works, you'll see the discount or free delivery reflected right away. Keep in mind that promo codes can't always be combined, so apply the one that gives you the best savings for this order. Now, look for restaurant-specific promotions that offer free delivery. Many restaurants run short-term deals directly on their store page, like free delivery or spend a minimum to unlock free delivery. From the home screen, tap into a restaurant and scroll for any promotional tiles or fine print. If a promo is active, add eligible items to your cart, meet the stated minimum, and verify that the delivery fee becomes $0 before placing the order. These promos can change frequently, so it pays to check just before you submit. Finally, see if your Chase credit card includes a complimentary DashPass membership. Some cards offer this as a benefit for a limited time. Log into your bank's benefits hub, look for food delivery perks, and follow the activation steps provided there to link the membership to your DoorDash account. After activation, your account should display DashPass status, and eligible orders will reflect $0 delivery fees when you meet the minimum. Be sure to review the benefits terms so you know how long it lasts and any requirements to keep it active. Throughout all of this, always confirm the order subtotal and restaurant eligibility. Free delivery typically applies only to participating restaurants and minimum purchase amounts, and taxes, service fees, and tips still apply.